High blood pressure. High blood pressure is one of the most important risk factors for diseases of the heart and blood vessels. This is the cause of cardiovascular diseases such as stroke, myocardial infarction, kidney failure. Statistics of the World Health Organization show that every year 17.5 million people die from cardiovascular diseases, of which hypertension is the leading cause. If you have high blood pressure? Don't worry, nutrition plays a huge role in determining better blood pressure control. If there is a healthy diet, good control of blood pressure, the patient is still in good health and does not affect life expectancy. Dietary adjustments and weight loss are considered non-pharmacological treatments. So what should people with high blood pressure not eat? Follow along below. 10 foods you absolutely should not eat if you have high blood pressure. Number 1. Do not eat foods with high salt content. People with high blood pressure should not eat salty foods. According to the recommendations of doctors, a person should only eat less than 5 grams of salt a day. The sodium present in table salt causes the secretion of more cell fluid, causing the heart to beat faster and increase blood pressure. In addition, people with hypertension should not eat pickled dishes such as kimchi, pickled Brussels sprouts, dill pickles. These are also not good foods for people with hypertension because pickled dishes contain high sodium content. Number 2. Don't eat canned foods. According to the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, up to 75% of salt absorbed into the body comes from canned foods. Processed meats such as ham, bacon, sausages, etc. are foods that contain a lot of saturated fat, trans fat, chemical preservatives and high salt content. This is also a food group that causes high blood pressure and obesity. So people with high blood pressure should limit the use of pickled dishes and canned foods such as cold cuts, hot dogs, frozen pizza, ketchup. Number 3. Foods high in sugar. High blood pressure do not eat? Another food you should avoid is sugar. Consuming a lot of sugar in foods is one of the main causes of obesity, diabetes, hyperuricemia, hyperlipidemia and other diseases. These diseases often cause or worsen hypertension, as well as the occurrence and development of other cardiovascular diseases. American Heart Association recommends that women limit their added sugars to 6 teaspoons, 24 grams, per day. For men, 9 teaspoons, 36 grams, is enough for a day. Number 4. Instant noodles. This is a favorite dish of many people, especially those who live alone. Instant noodles have a delicious taste, quick and convenient processing. However, this is one of the foods that contribute to high blood pressure because instant noodles contain a lot of sodium. People with high blood pressure should not eat a lot of instant noodles. Number 5. Animal fat. Although animal fat is essential for the development of the body, eating too much animal fat will cause health problems, especially high blood pressure. Animal fats and other fatty foods contain a lot of cholesterol, which increases the risk of high blood pressure and cardiovascular diseases. Number 6. Foods high in oil and fat. Fried foods with fat or fatty meats can increase the risk of fatty blood, leading to hardening of the arteries. This is one of the causes of high blood pressure. So people with high blood pressure should abstain from fried and greasy foods. In addition, foods that are high in fat are always high in calories. For example, French fries, hamburgers, fried sausages, braised meat, etc., if eaten in large quantities, can cause obesity. Obese people have higher rates of hypertension than people of normal weight. Most hypertensive patients are overweight or obese. So patients with this disease should limit high-calorie foods in their diet. Number 7. Animal organs. Animal organs contain much higher levels of saturated fat and cholesterol than meat. When eaten, it will be consumed a lot, increasing blood fat, harmful to the heart, increasing blood pressure. In 100 grams of pork liver, it contains about 368 milligrams of cholesterol. So eating a lot of pig liver or other organs will not be good for people with high blood pressure and high blood fat. In addition, animal organs of unknown origin also have potential risks of causing cancer, brain, helminths, myocarditis, pneumonia, etc. Number 8. Drinks containing a lot of alcohol. Alcohol can make the heart beat faster, blood vessels constrict, and blood pressure rise. On the other hand, alcohol also limits the effectiveness of antihypertensive drugs. In addition, high-calorie alcohol must be metabolized by the liver and also leads to weight gain. Number 9. Spicy foods. Spicy foods can make stools dry and difficult to pass, which can easily lead to constipation. When patients defecated will increase abdominal pressure, hypertension. Even eating a lot can cause brain hemorrhage. Therefore, patients with high blood pressure should not use spicy food. Like it or not, chili, ginger, and pepper should not be added to food when processing. Number 10. High blood pressure should not eat red meat. High blood pressure people should not eat red meat such as pork, beef, lamb. They are also foods high in saturated fat. More saturated fat in the body leads to increased low-density lipoprotein levels, making high blood pressure worse, even leading to coronary heart disease. The video has helped you answer the question, what should not eat with high blood pressure? High blood pressure seriously affects daily life and is more dangerous than life-threatening, so it is necessary to have a healthy and scientific lifestyle, exercise daily. You only need to spend 30 minutes to exercise at home with jogging exercises to improve and reduce the risk of hypertension.